and Marleigh Stockfish. It is a 48 count, 4-wall, phrased intermediate level line dance. The phrasing for the dance is A, tag, A, B, A, tag, A, B, A, short A, B, B, and a short A to end the dance. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance part by part, section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice each part all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the tag, and then we're going to go around and dance the full phrasing of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Heartbreaker. We are going to start with part A. Weight's going to be on your left foot. We're going to do a half chug around. We're going to do it in 2 quarter turns. So we're going to make a quarter turn over our right shoulder as we press our right foot to the right side. Recover onto your left. You're now facing 3 o'clock. We're going to make another quarter turn over our right shoulder as you press your right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, and you're at 6 o'clock. We're now going to do a heel ball step. So we're going to take our right heel, place it forward, quickly step your right next to your left, and then step your left foot slightly forward. We're going to do a wizard forward with our right and our left. So we're going to step our right foot forward, but slightly into the right diagonal. Bring your left foot in and behind your right, and then quickly step your right foot forward. You're now going to step your left foot forward and slightly into the left diagonal. Bring your right foot in and behind your left, and then quickly step your left foot forward. Let's try that with some counts. Weights on your left foot. You're doing that chug over your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and. Section 2, we're going to do 2-step half pivots. You're going to step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 12 o'clock. You're going to step forward with your right, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to return to 6 o'clock. You're now going to take the ball of your right foot, you're going to touch it forward, you're going to swivel your heel and bump your hip to the right, and then back center. You're going to quickly step your right next to your left. You're now going to take the ball of your left foot, touch it forward, and you're going to swivel your left heel and your hip to the left, and then back center. Let's try it with some count. Weights on your left foot. You're doing those half pivots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. Section 3, you're going to touch the ball of your left foot. You're going to touch it to the left side, and you're going to make a quarter turn over your left shoulder, kicking your left foot forward. You're now facing 3 o'clock. You're going to do a left coaster step, step your left foot back, right together, left forward. You're now going to rock forward with your right foot, recover onto your left, and do a right coaster step, right back, left together, right forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your right foot. You're touching or stomping that left foot to the left side. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of A. We're going to do kick step points with the left and the right. So you're going to kick your left foot low and forward, quickly step your left next to your right, and point your right toe to the right side. You're now going to kick your right foot low and forward, quickly step your right next to your left, and point your left toe to the left side. You're now going to quickly step your left next to your right. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, and you're going to step out, out, right, left. When you step out with this left, when we are going into either the tag or B, you want to stomp. Anytime you're going from an A into another A, you want to take weight onto that left foot. So the first time we do it, it's a stomp because we're going to travel. The next time we do it after the tag, it's going to be a stomp because you're going to go to the left. The only time you're going to take weight on it is when you do the A into the short A. You're going to make sure that you fully step down onto that left foot because you're going to travel with your right. Let's try that with some counts. We stepped forward with our right to end section 3. You're doing your kick step point. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, or 8, whichever one we are at the dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do A all the way through, 1 time with steps, 1 time with counts. Weight is on your left foot. You're doing your half chug. It's chug, chug, heel ball step, wizard, and wizard. Ball step, half pivot, touch hip, bump step, touch hip, bump. Stomp, quarter kick, coaster step, rock, recover, coaster step. Kick step, point, ball step, half pivot, out, out. And that is all of A. So now let's try A to the front with counts. Weights on your left foot, you're traveling over your right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Now let's talk about B. B is 16 counts. It happens 4 times in the dance. So it's going to come after an A, except for the one time that we do it twice in a row. So when it's coming from an A, you want to make sure that's your stomp instead of your taking weight. So we would have just done our stomp with our left, no weight on your left foot. Weights all the way on your right. You're going to step your left foot slightly back and you're going to cross your right over your left. You're now going to quickly step your left foot to the left side and place your right heel forward into the diagonal. You're now going to step your right foot slightly back and cross your left over your right. Quickly step your right foot to the right side and place your left heel forward into the diagonal. You're now going to quickly step down with your left and you're going to take your right foot, cross it behind your left foot. You won't weight kind of on both feet at this point. And we're going to unwind over our right shoulder, making a 3/4 turn over that right shoulder, keeping your weight mostly on your left foot. You're now at 9 o'clock. Now you're going to bump your hips to the right, to the left. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot. We would have just stomped our left. You're doing your ball cross. Ball cross, side, heel, ball cross, side, heel, ball cross behind, 3/4 unwind, bump right, left. Section 2 of B. We're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to make a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot. You're now facing 3 o'clock, and you're going to shuffle forward, left together, right forward. You're now going to step forward with your left, do a half pivot over your right shoulder, putting your weight onto your right foot to face 9 o'clock, and you're going to shuffle forward, right together, left forward. And that is the end of B. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just bumped our hip to the left. You're doing your step half pivot. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is all of B. So now let's practice B to the front. Weights on your right foot. We would have just stomped our left. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Quickly stepping back with that right foot. Ball cross, side, heel, ball cross, side, heel, ball cross behind, 3/4 unwind, bump right, left. Step, half pivot, shuffle forward, step, half pivot, shuffle forward. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on your right foot, stepping with that left. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. And that is all of B. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is only going to happen after an A. So when we finish the A, you're going to do that stomp instead of taking weight. Our tag happens twice. We're going to do a grapevine to the left. So we're going to step our left foot to the side, right behind, left side. And you're going to touch your right next to your left. You're now going to do body rolls to the right and the left. So you're going to step your right foot to the right side. And as you do, you're going to start with your shoulders and you're going to go roll and touch. You're now going to step your left foot to the left side and you're going to roll and touch. Let's try that with some counts. We would have just stomped our left. Grapevine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2 of our tag, we're going to do a grapevine to the right with a step together. So we're going to step our right foot to the side, left foot behind, right side, step your left next to your right. We're now going to do heel switches. You're going to take your right heel, place it forward. Quickly step your right next to your left and place your left heel forward. Quickly step your left next to your right, place your right heel forward. You're going to bring your right heel up to your left shin and then place your right heel back down again to end the tag. So let's try it with some counts. Weights on your left foot. We're doing our grapevine to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And then you're ready to start A all over again. So whenever you do the tag, it's going to start with an A, and it's going to be followed with an A. So the tag is always going to come between two A's. So now let's go around and do the entire phrasing. So we're going to start at 12 o'clock. We're going to do A, tag, A, B, A, tag, A, B, A, short A, which is just 16 counts of the dance. And then you're going to restart. The 16 counts is after your swivel. What you're going to have to do is quickly step your left next to your right and start A all over again. So it's a quick little step change where you're just going to step that left next to your right to go into A again. Weights on your left foot. I'm going to rotate between steps and counts. The first time we do A, tag, A, B, A, we're going to do it with steps. The second time we do tag, A, B, A, we're going to do it with counts. We'll then rotate between the two with the other A's and B's of the dance. Weight starting on your left foot. You're doing your half chug. Chug, chug, heel ball step, Dorothy, and step, half pivot, touch hip, bump, step, touch hip, bump, touch quarter kick, and your coaster step, rock, recover, coaster step, kick, step, point, ball step, half pivot, step, step, grapevine, do your tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, grapevine with it together, heel step, heel hook, heel, do A, chug, chug, heel ball step, Dorothy, and step, half pivot, touch hip, bump, step, touch hip, bump, touch quarter kick with your coaster, step, rock, and coaster, step, kick, step, points, ball step, half pivot, stomp, do B, ball cross, side heel, ball cross, behind 3/4, unwind, bump right, left, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, do A, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, do your tag, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, A, chug, chug, heel ball step, Dorothy's, step, half pivot, touch hip, bump, step, touch hip, bump, touch quarter kick with your coaster, step, rock, recover, coaster step, kick, step, points, ball half up, pivot, stomp, stomp, do B, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to do 3 A's in a row. One's going to be the short A. Chug, chug, heel ball step, wizard, and wizard. Step, half pivot, touch hip, bump, step, touch hip, bump, touch quarter kick with your coaster, step, rock, and coaster, step, kick, step, point, ball step, half pivot, stomp, taking weight onto your left foot, short A. Chug, chug, heel ball step, Dorothy, and step, half pivots. Touch, swivel, step, Now A, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1, and 2, 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. Now do your stomp. You're going to do 2 B's in a row. Ball cross, side heel, ball cross, side heel, ball cross, 3/4, unwind, right, left, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, step, half pivot, shuffle forward, do B, not taking weight onto that left foot, ball cross, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Now we're going to do 16 counts of A to end the dance. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 7, and 8. And that is the whole dance. I hope this helps you learn Heartbreaker. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.